Well, hello there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies, standing behind the camera, and I'm here to introduce you to Things by Cultured Code. This is the computer program that I use to organize my whole life. I just swear by this program so much. It's an app you can get for your phone, also on your computer. It's based on the Getting Things Done philosophy. The Getting Things Done philosophy is this. There's a lot to it, but one of the ideas of it is that when you have an idea, you should have a place you can write it down. And so this program, boom. This is a place where you can just jot ideas down when you have them and then forget about them. Instead of trying to carry it around in your head and remember everything, because most of us are so busy, we've got so many things on the go. So a place where you can just put it and forget about it for the moment. And then organize it into the best place to remind you to take action. There's a number of places that could be. One of them is you can organize it by time to do it. You know, I want to remember to do it on a certain date. Or want to put it in a project, so when I look at that project, it'll be there, or some combination of the two, but also possibly organizing it just geographically, like these are things to do when I'm at home, these are things to do when I'm out, etc. There's a lot of ways to organize it, and what most of us need, I don't know, in these modern days, besides figuring out some way to get the hell out of the modern world and live a more handmade life, aside from that, most of us need something to organize us, to manage us, because we're so busy. There's just so much going on. It's really easy for things to slip. So here's what I use. It's called Things, again, by culturedcode.com. And the idea is, let's say, you want to put a new action. So you get a new idea. Oh, that says new idea. Okay, so we got a new idea. And let's say throughout the day, I'm jotting down a lot of these ideas, yeah? I get more and more and more ideas. Then I say, okay, well, when do I want to do this? Because I might want to do it right away. It might just be, oh, I should just do that right now. But I might say, you know what? I'm going to do that later. Or maybe I could do it today, and then it'll appear in my list for things to do today. I could do it upcoming, so if I do that, calendar pops up, and I could choose the day to do it. I don't know what the difference between anytime and someday is, philosophically or in this program. Logbook just means it's done, or I could just trash it, say, I'm not going to do it. Yeah, so I could organize it in that way by time, but I can also organize it by projects. You notice I've got all these projects. So Marketing for Hippies Daily, Thrive follow-up program. This was a networking event I went to in Santa Cruz that my colleagues Jesse and Charlotte organized, and these are my follow-up things from it. There are videos I could watch, and I could put it in there. So there's a lot of places you can put the ideas. If I go back to inbox, there it is, yeah. And so these, you notice one project is home daily. So these are things to do at home. Then there's errands. So these are things to do while I'm out. I've just made a list. So while I'm out, I can just open this project and see, is there anything I can do while I'm out here? Travel. Things have to do with, upcoming travels. You get the idea. So let's look at the today list. So in the today list, well, my new idea isn't there, so maybe I should move it in. So go like this, click and drag, boom. Yeah, click on today. Ooh, today. Hey. First one, notice all the birthdays. My calendar's at the top, which is a nice feature, so happy birthday, Nicole and Greg. And there's my schedule for the day. And then there's my new idea. And then here's a bunch of actions. Yeah, and you'll notice they're all organized by projects. This is just so handy to be able to chunk things out in this way. And here's the video I'm doing right now. This is a great feature too. There's a recurring mechanism. So this action recurs every day. The afternoon ritual, Marketing for Hippies, you just have to kind of right click on an action like this. Ooh, how do I do this? Is that it? No. It's hard to do on my other hand. Right. Anyways, you do it by both hands. You right click on this and you can set it as a recurring action. And that is the buzzer for some food I made, which I'm going to eat after I make this video. All right, so where were we? Yeah, so this is a recurring action, but in it, there's also, I love this feature, there's a checklist. So you can do this on any action down here. Ooh, it's not there because it's already there. But you can, so every day, check my mentorship group, share cool things on the Marketing for Hippies Facebook page, check my emails. This is so useful because how many emails have I sent out with the wrong link or the wrong headline, just the subject line? It's been the worst. So this helps me stay on top of it every day. I just check the next email going out, make sure everything's, appropriate, and then Voxer, where a lot of my mentorship program folks have done. So I've already done this today, so that's done. But yeah, let's say the new idea I want a checklist. Go down here, there's a little checklist thing. Like that. I could say Mew action. Mew mew. There it is. If I hit return, there's another one. But then let's say I say, oh well, you know what? I just want to do this tonight. I don't want to do it now. It's you. Man, this is an action-packed video for you. I love this feature so much. Today, I could also do it this evening. And at the very bottom, you'll see this evening. So this is so great. So there's a bunch of things throughout the day. I say, I'll get to that tonight. Now there's a place to put it all. I'm so sure there's stuff I'm missing. Oh, yeah. So there's all these projects, but you can also categorize it. So there's personal, there's marketing for hippies daily, deep living, niching spiral. There's all these different categories that the projects can fit in. So this is an amazing product. It's not the cheapest out there. A downside of it is in terms of if you're wanting to share actions or projects with other people, I don't think you can do that directly. But I use it, my assistant uses it for personal organization. I swear by this. The phone app is really useful and incredible. And I'd show you, but I'm using my phone to film this. So I hope this is useful. I hope you'll go check it out. This is not an affiliate thing. I don't get paid anything for promoting them. This is just an honest to goodness good product that I use all the time. And I hope you'll check it out.